Hey guys, in this video I'll be doing the gaming review of Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5. So firstly here I'll be playing Asphalt, and as we are checking the temperature, it's around 33, and before I start I just want to make sure that the game is running on the highest setting. So as you can see, it's running on high. Now let's see how it performs. So as you can see, the performance is almost flawless. I personally haven't noticed any frame drops, and checking the temperature, it rised up to 37, so there's no heating issue whatsoever. Next I'll be running Mortal Kombat, and initial temperature is around 32, so let's see how this performs. So as you can see, in a very similar fashion to Asphalt, the performance is very smooth with no frame drops, and the temperature has risen to about 37. So to sum it up, the Redmi Note 5 can handle any game without any issues, even on the highest of settings, and combine that to the fact that there are no heating issues makes the Redmi Note 5 a desirable option if gaming is your top priority. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you are interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.